Yes, but you know what? We can hold on to it for the time being because it's a mild start, but not so much. Later on today, those temperatures are taking a dive courtesy of this cold front. Winds are also going to pick up too. Temperatures at around 44 Lodi, 46 Harlem, 47 Sheepshead Bay. Afternoon readings, upper 30s, low 40s, so not too far off, but the winds are going to pick up, so it may make it feel a little bit chillier. So shave off a good few degrees and then shave off a lot of degrees by the overnight. We'll be below freezing, so that's something that's going to be of a concern, so make sure you bundle up. It's also going to set the stage for this wintry precipitation that we are expecting. So it'll start off close to around the 11 o'clock hour. Further south, I mean, we're talking southern Monmouth County, Ocean County, Burlington, Mercer. Eventually, it'll start to sneak up close to around the 1, 2 o'clock. Figure after midnight, that's when things will get going across much of the area, with the exception of eastern Long Island, the Hudson Valley, Connecticut. And then it starts to fill in. It becomes more scattered. The air may take a little while to saturate, and when it does, it's going to come down. It's going to prove to be a messy commute. Highlighted in pink, that's your icy mix. That's we're anticipating sleet. We're anticipating freezing rain. That's going to be a major factor. But then as temperatures warm, that transition will get underway. So along the south shore of Long Island, all green, 10 o'clock, that's when we'll start to see that transition take shape. But believe it or not, the 5 boroughs, or much of it, will be in pink. So it's going to be that icy mix that we are anticipating for that. Further north, more in the way of like wet snow, and then things will continue to transition. So by 11 o'clock or so, figure by lunchtime, across much of the area, the 5 boroughs, it's now all rain, and then all north and west still highlighted in blue or pink, and that's indicative of that wintry mix. So some areas won't even get that transition to rain. Eventually, it'll start to move out in time for the evening rush, and then it's out of here. About close to a ½ an inch of rain. That's a liquid equivalent, and we could see some snow totals, but keep in mind that a lot of what you see here, 2.3 inches, for instance, in New York City, probably gets washed away eventually. Same deal for Islip, West Hampton, but further north and west, that's what we'll see the accumulation. I'm more concerned about the icy accumulation because that's where it's going to be really slick, really dangerous to travel around town. So definitely something to be mindful of. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We're going to go with a weather alert Thursday morning, so write that down. Also, mark your calendars and make sure you plan your commute accordingly because it's going to be quite dangerous as you make your way out, especially if you're traveling to or from areas like the Hudson Valley, northern New Jersey, and even parts of Connecticut. We dry out, becomes windy on Friday, and then Saturday we gear up for another system with that mix, and then early Sunday it'll probably be rain, and then we are pretty much done. But guess what? It'll clear out way before the game begins. We'll have a closer look at what you need to know. We'll send it over to Alexa Farrell now.